today we are actually going to go to my sister-in-law's house. And we are going to go in her pool to see if my toddler even wants to go. She normally doesn't like going in the pool for her little personal reasons. So we will see how it goes. I am putting stuff away because I just finished doing my makeup. But yeah, I have to pack the bag to see what I'm gonna take even to my sister-in-law's house. And I do have to also, I don't have a bathing suit. I think I have one at her house, but I don't really have many bathing suits anymore that fit. So let's see what I'm gonna do. And I keep leaving the mic everywhere, but where it needs to be, on me. Also, I am planning out content for the next couple of months. Now, I don't know what's going on. My views have gone basically so downhill. It's kind of very discouraging. I don't know what's going on, but I'm kind of show you. So this is June. I will actually be uploading this vlog tomorrow. But I do already have a couple videos lined up and already done. I really wish I got paid for this because I put so much work into my YouTube channel. So yeah, I already have 1, 2, 3 videos going up for the rest of the month. I have here what days I'm going to film what. So I already have 3 videos ready for July, and then August is wild. I have a lot of videos to film in August, and they even going through September because I have my trip coming up. I'm so excited. I am a very organized person, which is probably why I was operations in Sephora. I like planning. I like having a nice setup. I like being able to see what's coming, what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so I do leave a little bit of space though because Petunia sometimes has requests. So I have that as well. So today I am filming obviously this video. I did have another video that I already filmed. I still need to edit it, but that video will see, like I already have that video, will be up July 1st, which is basically this makeup look. Yeah, so today is Father's Day, if you haven't already been able to tell. I already put my daughter in her little outfit. My mom is here for a little bit, and hopefully my husband will get out of work soon. She actually got here kind of late, so it's okay. I do want to say I did get a new SPF for my face. That is absolutely amazing. You should all go run to Target and get it. It doesn't leave your skin oily or gross, and when you reapply it, it doesn't make you look like a shiny, greasy ball. So go get it. Let me go ahead and finish cleaning up here so I can start setting up the bag so that we can go to my sister-in-law's as soon as my husband gets home. Alright guys, so we just got home. I know I really suck filming when my sister-in-law has a cookout for some reason. I didn't even show you guys like my brother-in-law actually cooking out. But yeah, so we got home and I went ahead and restocked our diaper bag, putting more diapers, putting more little baggies, wipes, putting stuff away, putting them where they go. I also washed dishes that were in the sink, the water bottles that we use. I don't like leaving them with water. I feel like that's gross. So I washed them out and cleaned them and got them ready for, next time when we are going somewhere, they'll be ready to go. But that is it. I'm actually going to go ahead and take a quick shower and clean off the Clorox off my own body. Chlorine from the pool. Clorox. Chlorine from the pool. I actually have a little pool. I had my sister-in-law get the little pool ready, so when my daughter got out of that water, I went ahead right away and I didn't get her naked because it was other people there, but I literally set her in the other pool and just kind of rubbed her down and washed her down with soap and normal water so that we could get that off, so she's nice and clean. So now it's my turn to get nice and clean, and we're gonna call it a night. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to leave this emoji down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
There's no better feeling than looking at the man you love and knowing that the child you made together will always, without a shadow of a doubt, know that they are loved and will always come first and will never have to question where they stand in